Mom is a blessing that no one can replace. Definitely on your birthday, the only day in your life, your mother smiled when you cried. Mother is the only person who carries you. 9 months in her belly, 3 years in her arms, and forever in her heart. The best alarm clock in the world is your mother. If you ask her to wake you up at 7, she will wake you up at 6, saying it's 8. Never ignore your mother, who loves you, cares for you, and misses you. One day, you might wake up from your sleep and realize that you lost the moon while counting the stars. Never forget the two people in your life. 1. The person who lost everything just to win. Your father. 2. The person who was with you in every pain. Your mother.